Hey everyone, it's Kiri here, welcome back, and I'm going to be showing you how to use a camera layer. So to get to a camera layer, you have to go into a 3D scene. Now you click the layers and then camera. So now a camera layer has been added. So with cameras, if I go to the custom view, this is what it looks like. So the green square is what is in view of the camera, and the little point at the end right here is where the camera actually is. So if I go into the camera, you can change the settings. You can change the focus distance, depth of field, and the blur. But for now, I'm just going to leave it normal. Now what transform does is you can actually rotate it, as you can see, and you can change the position, move it further back and closer. So I'm going to change the view to the camera and make the blur go away. Okay, so you can add keyframes to make it zoom in and out. So I'm going to start the camera further away and then bring it closer. Position Z is what I use camera for the most, as it moves back and forth from the object. So this is what it looks like. So the camera basically moves around your objects and your 3D scene, whereas moving the separate layers just moves them, not around it. So this is really good for advanced edits, how you can move around the scenes. Lighting also is very good in 3D scenes and can work with cameras, which I will be showing you in my next tutorial. So I hope you understand how to use cameras and can't wait to see all your edits with the cameras.